Okay, so we've got this displaying absolutely fine. The next thing, I'm going to go down and have a look at the bottom of my screen here. This form action, the fact that I've not got an action in there means it's going to go to which page? It's going to go to itself, alright? If you don't give it an action, it just reloads the same page when you hit the submit button. Now, as I say, I've made mistakes for this before by forgetting to name my submit button. It seems very trivial to name the submit button submit, but that's the way you do it. You can call it apples, pears, or bananas if you want. Doesn't make much sense, right? But don't confuse the name and the type. Okay. So once we've typed information in here and clicked it, the page reloads and we go up to the top again. And at this point, we want to take the information, right, and check what's happened. Okay. So I want to check something here. I want to check if the button has been clicked. So I can say if is set the post method and it's been hit by submit. Right, I will just put a wee echo in and say the button has been clicked. Else, echo, what I put in here, the button has not been clicked. Okay. So I'm just going to save that. This checks to see if the submit button's been clicked. Right, that's what that line of code does. This refers to the name of the button. Okay, so save it and run it. The button has not been clicked. And I'll put something in. It still says the button's not been clicked, so I need to go and see what's wrong there. If I set post button. Yeah, it's alright to me. Right, okay, we'll crack on and see what I get. So, oh, I know what I've done. There's no way you would know this unless you'd seen this before. I've got to put an underscore before post. Right, it's a global variable. So underscore between the posts. That's what's wrong. Again, bad typo. So I'm going to save that there. And I'll try it again. This time it should work. Did it work? Okay. So now it knows the button's been clicked and the button's not been clicked. Alright. Okay. So let's go back into the code. So I don't need them, do I? Really? So I'll comment that out. I'll leave it sitting there, but I'll comment it out. Alright. In fact, what I'll do, I'll write a proper comment. This means the submit button has been clicked. Now what I could do there is, I've told you, I could change that to bananas, right? As long as I change that to bananas, yeah? Okay. Right, so if it's been clicked, that means we're trying to submit the form, so we want to start stripping the information out of the post. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to create a new variable and say my name equals post. And what was the box called? Remember? So this is me getting the name out of the form. So I'll go down and have a look. It's called name box. Alright. Any guesses what the next line is going to be? $sign my email equals post email box. Okay. So what do I want to happen with this information? Well, I want to take these variables, insert them into the database, right? The database connection has already been established up here. So what I can do is start writing a statement. Now, I can call this STMT again, right? Although I've used it elsewhere on the page, because I'll just overwrite it when it comes later on. And again, I'll say equals, connect, prepare. Now again, this is when my SQL is rusty. That's why I've got it written down in front of me. I want to insert into users. And the two names are username and email. I'm not bothering about the ID because that's an automatic one. All right. And I'll put in values. And I have to put in two values here, right? Now, I'm just going to put in a single quote and I'll put in Tam and Tam at email.com, right? You won't be surprised though, I won't be leaving that in. But what that does is it will insert into the users table Tam is the username and tam at email.com is the email address. And a semicolon at the end of it. So it doesn't, at this point, it doesn't matter what the variables are. So I'm just going to submit the form and you should get tam and tam at email.com going in. So let's try it. So MyDB, I say I can type anything in there, doesn't matter. Click submit. And refresh. And it's not going in, no. Let's save it. So what I do, nope, I'm not executing the function. STMT. Yeah. Execute. Okay. Now it should work. So Tam is now in the database, whether he likes it or not, right? Because you put anything in there and anything in there, and then it goes, right? We don't want Tam to get put into the database again and again, do we? No. What do we want in here? We want that and that, don't we? Now it's not usually in programming this bit straightforward, right? We need to pre-prepare the statement. This prevents it from being vulnerable to SQL injection. I talked about SQL injection before, didn't I? It just means that the statement can't be tampered with. So I'm going to take tam out of there, and I'm going to put in colon, and I'll just say email. Oh, sorry, username. And colon email. Alright. And I need a couple more lines before I execute it. What I want to do here is bind these parameters into the statement. Alright. So I'm going to say statement bind parameter, or bind param, it says. And I need username. And I need the variable now, which is my name. Okay, and then I need to do the same again. Statement bind param. and this time it's email, and then it's my email. So what happens here, line 10 takes the variable and sticks it in there. Line 11 takes that variable and sticks it in there. Does that make sense? Right? Again, it's not something you're going to learn off by heart, but what we're doing here is pre-preparing the statements and inserting the variables in. Okay. So hopefully now, if we save this and we run it, we can now affect our own database. So I'll just put in Bob and Bob at email.com. There we go. And it goes. Now, just to check, we know it's working, but if I go now into my PHP My Admin and I go to browse, you'll see there, there's Tam and there's Bob, right? And that you're now affecting the database. Okay. So it's quite a heavy load to cover in half an hour or so, but this will stand you in good stead for everything you're going to do. Alright.